Alright, today we're going to do a dance tutorial on how to do the Sensational dance. It's the dance and the song is also from Chris Brown. As always, I'm going to make it as easy as possible for you guys. I'm going to break it down step by step. Let's go. Alright, starting with the first mini section, let me just quickly show you what you're about to learn. Alright, it's this part. Boom, 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 boom. Okay, let me break it down for you. The first thing we want to practice, the arms. So the arms are going sort of cross is here. Alright, so my right is over here, left is here. And then I'm going to bring it out like this. So this is my right, this is my left. Okay, so I went from here, boom, boom. Just try that a few times. Close, open, close, open, close, open. Now you want to do with the legs as well, you want to go, let's just do the legs. The legs are going right up, down, knees pointing slightly outwards, and then you want to bring your left up, down, outwards. Okay? So let me just show you, just watch. Right, out, left, out. Okay, so try that a few times. We're going right, out, left, out. You can exaggerate as much as you want, all right? Now, with the arms, they are going close, out, close, out, or if you're thinking about the legs, left, right, out, left, out. So we do it slightly faster, just watch. Boom, boom. Okay, so right after boom, boom, we want to do the kick. So we're going to stand up and then we're going to kick with our right, like boom. Now, how far up you kick is entirely up to you. You can also just lift your knees like that, all right? So boom, boom, ha, ha. You can also do that. But if you want to do the kick, let me just show you again. From here, kick your right up, whoop, around, and then you want to say land right, land left, right? Matches the beat. So it goes boom, boom, cut, cut. So you initiate the kick right away after this one. Boom, boom. All right, so the timing goes and 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Okay, just watch again. And 1 and 2, 3 and 4. All right, just try to practice with me. I'm gonna go 5, 6, 7, and 8, and then we're gonna go and 1 and 2, 3 and 4. All right, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Let's try that again. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1 and 2, 3 and 4. All right, so once you can do that, I just want you to repeat it 3.5 times. So what do I mean by 3.5 times? You go 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, and then you stop here. All right, so that's why it's 3.5. All right, let's just try that. I'm gonna go 5, 6, 7, 8, and then we're gonna start and 1, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8, 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 5, 6. All right, so from here, and just quickly show you what you're about to learn here. You want to go cap, cap. All right, let me break it down. So basically, it's more like a freestyle. You can do like Chris Brown. He does this thing. So this is the end of mini section 1, right? So mini section 2 goes, you want to bring it with these shaky legs up here, and then bring your right arm up. That's on. And then he says, all right? And then you want to go turn. That's what he does. Whoom. And then you want to say cap, cap. He actually goes down. Whoom. And then he steps right, left. Okay? It's freestyle. It's up to you what you want to do. Okay, so this was end of 1. Whoom, whoom. You want to go whoop, around, step, step. All right, now as for the timing, from here we go 7, 8, and then right after 1 he goes 2, 3, and 4. Okay, so and 4. Let me just show you again. From here was 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, and 4. All right, so let's try and practice with me one time. From here, I'm gonna count 3, 4, 5, 6, and then we start on 7. All right, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now, like I said, it's more or less a freestyle, so you can do whatever you want. You don't have to do, you can do ta, ta, as long as you're ready here. All right, now minute section 3 goes ta, ta, roll it, ta, ta. All right, let me break it down for you. You wanna flick your right heel out to the side, back, left heel out to the side, back. I'm just showing from the side here. I'm going wah, 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 wah. Okay, now from here, Chris Brown and his dancers do a body roll up, but if you don't know how to do a body roll, you can just go wah, 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 arms up, ba, ba, because that's the next part, all right? So if you're doing the body roll, you wanna go whoa, ka, ka, all right? So you do a double pop or whatever this is at the end. Okay, let me just show you, just watch. I'm going right, left, roll up, ka, ka. Okay, so the timing goes 5, 6, and a 7, and 8. All right, so as long as you hit the 5, the 6, and the 8, here we go. Okay, let me just show you again. 5, 6, and a 7, and 8. All right, so let me count 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we start on 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Let's try that again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and a 7, and 8. All right, let's just do the last mini section of this first part of Chris Brown's dance. So, 5, 7, and 8. So from here, you just want to move to the other side, and you do a little pop. You can go like pop like that. So you bring out your chest, and then you bring it down, 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 down. Right? Pop however you want. You can also just, you know, do it very subtle. You don't need to exaggerate like the dancers do. It's the all right? But the important is that if you start here, this is an 8. You want to go ka, 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 ka. All right? I'm going to do the ka sounds because it doesn't fit the counts exactly. So it goes and 8, ka, 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 ka. That's it. Exact timing, all right? Now, let's just practice from here. We want to go ka, 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 okay? So just switch each time, and then the last time you just do double, all right? Let me just show it from the side as well. I'm going, this was an 8, we're going ka, 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 okay? Pretty simple. Try it with me. I'm gonna go an 8, and then we're gonna practice, okay? So, and 8, ka, 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 ka. Let's try that a bit faster. And 8, ka, 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 ka. Let's just practice the previous mini section as well. So we're gonna go from here, we're gonna go 5, 6, and a 7, and 8, ka, 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 ka. All right, try it with me. I'm gonna count 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we're gonna go 5, 6. Okay, we're gonna go slow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and a 7, and 8. Ka, 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 ka. Let's try that again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Ka, 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 ka. All right, guys, let's do it from the tip to top. I'm gonna do a quick recap, and then we're gonna practice. All right, so from the tip to top, with the timing as well, it goes like this. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, and a 7, and 8. Ka, 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 ka. All right, time to practice. I'm gonna go 5, 6, 7, 8, and then we're gonna start. And 1, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, and 2, 3 and 4 and 5 and 6, 7 and 8 and 1 and 2, 3 and 4 and 5 and 6, 7 and 8, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6 and a 7 and 8. All right, let's just go a tiny bit faster. 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1 and 2, 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 8 and 1 and 2, 3 and 5 and 6, 7 and 8, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6 and a 7 and 8. Ka. Alright guys, feel free to practice at your own pace or practice certain parts if there's a certain part that you're struggling with. I'm just gonna do it one last time to normal tempo. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Ka. Thank you guys so much for watching this video till the end. If you liked it, please like and subscribe if you want to see more videos from me. And if there's a specific dance or dance move that you want me to cover, then let me know in the comments. Alright, thank you guys so much, and until next time.